My name is Daksh from LGT, and today we will learn how to use the web browser on Ubuntu. First, we need to open the web browser. On Ubuntu, you can use the taskbar on the left-hand side of the screen to open the web browser. In this case, we will use Google Chrome. It is indicated by this blue icon over here. Let's start by learning how to minimize and maximize the browser window. To minimize the browser window, click on the Minimize button located in the top right corner of the screen. It is indicated by this dash and circle over here. This will send the browser window to the taskbar, and it can also be restored by clicking on the browser icon in the taskbar. You can go back here and click on it. This is useful for you to put the app in the background and come back to it later without destroying your progress. Over here, we have the reload button. This can be used in the case if a website doesn't load properly, we can reload it to make sure it does work properly. Over here, we have the plus icon. This can be used to create multiple tabs so you can work on different things at once without losing your progress in different websites. We can close these extra tabs using the cross icon over here. Here, I'll show you how to use Google search. Say for example, I wanted to look up the weather today. I can search up weather in the default taskbar here, hit enter, and then I'm greeted with the weather today. Now I can open up another tab by using the plus icon up here. And let's say I wanted to get a picture of a really cute dog. I can search up right over here. This is just a preview of all the images available. I can click on images to see all the possible options. Let's say I wanted to download one of these pictures and put them on my desktop. I can click on this one for example, right click on it with the mouse or your touchpad, and click Save Image As. This will now get saved to your downloads and you can go back to it anytime you want. Now we can close this tab out, make a new tab, and close this one out too. To get a full history of your searches, you can go into settings over here in the top right corner with these three dots in a line. You click here, and you click history, and you can go history here. Additionally, we can access this page using Control H. That's a keyboard shortcut. Now we can close this tab off. Additionally, we can also see our complete download history by going back here to the three dots, going right here, downloads, and clicking on it. This will show all the downloads we've ever done. This can be useful if you ever want to go back to a download. If you can't find your desktop, you'll be able to find a full history over here. Finally, to close the browser, you go in the top right corner and click on this X over here. This closes the browser for good and you won't be able to come back, unlike if you minimize it. And that's it. In this video, we outlined some basic commands in Google Chrome. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and tutorials.